Welcome, here we've got OPPO A72 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume keys are here. So let me try to use them to show you how it works now. And as you can see now, by tapping on this I can easily take a picture. To change its function, we have to go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. It gives us access to 4 other buttons. For now we are interested in this one from the right. When we tap on this we get access to advanced camera settings. And now let's focus on the general settings, which are here at the first position. And here also we have the volume button option. So by tapping on this we can change its function. We can pick volume, shutter or zoom. So for now I'm going to pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera and try to use them again. And as you can see now, by using these buttons I can get really close to my subject, so I can zoom and also I can go back. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.